Awesome. Everybody, welcome back to Reasonably Prepared. Joshua here, and I wanted to give you a friendly reminder to climb up to that top rope, put your hands in the air, jump off, and give that like button a quick elbow to the face, pile drive to the face. Don't forget to hit the little bell, turn on your notifications so that way every time we put out a video, you get it. As you know, we've been on a security kick here at Reasonably Prepared, so I just wanted to go over something that we've done. Let's get into it. We went ahead and did something. We purchased a full security system for the house. Now, researching security systems, there were several that we wanted to go with, and we settled on SimpliSafe after doing our research. So SimpliSafe system. Now, SimpliSafe's not a sponsor, although SimpliSafe, if you want to be, reach out to us because we want to work with you. I just wanted to give you a quick recap on the buying process and how great SimpliSafe was to work with. There are many different systems to go with. We settled on SimpliSafe for a couple of different reasons. Number one, they were running a ridiculous Black Friday sale where all the equipment was half off. So you got half off the equipment. We were able to do our entire house for half the amount of money. Number two, I called several of the companies as I was trying to get information on them, and I've just got to say, of the many companies that I did call, SimpliSafe, their customer service was great. They gave me all of the information I needed. They were spectacular at answering any questions I had and helping me spec out a system. And so that's what we did. We spec'd out a system, and we ordered it, and they said it was going to take about a week to get to us, and it got to us early. Everybody got excited, so the kids wanted to be involved. And so we totally unboxed it. What was really great about the unboxing was, it was kind of an experience. Everything was labeled really, really well. Each individual box of each individual component said what it was on the box. Like, there was no guessing. Every time we pulled one out, it had, the description of it on there and like a pro tip that came along with it, which was really, really cool. Every motion sensor. So let's go down the list of things we got. We got 9 motion sensors. Okay, 9. For each floor in the bottom part of our house, and then 1 for going up the stairs because we have a 2-story house. We got the full base station. From one SimpliSafe base station, you can add up to 99 devices. We got 2 outdoor cameras, 1 for the front and 1 for the back. We will be adding on and putting cameras on the side as I'm going to be building fences and doing other things around my house to secure it better. So we will be upgrading and doing that. We got a panic button. So the panic button stays upstairs with us and came with, I think it was 115 decibel siren. And it's this multi-frequency siren that is obnoxiously loud and sounds disorienting almost because it's these conflicting frequencies that it's supposed to be obnoxiously loud. So we also opted to go with the monthly monitoring. Now, they have monitoring packages. So what's great about SimpliSafe is it's all wireless, and you don't have to have monitoring. You can install it yourself. You can make it a closed loop system on your own. It'll go to your phone. You download the app and things of that nature. But if you opt to, you can get different monitoring packages, and their monitoring packages start at $5 a month and that would be to capture, your filming and store your filming off. Then I think the next tier was like $15 a month. We opted to go with the most expensive one, which was $25 a month. And what that does is give us 24-hour monitoring, direct-to-police monitoring, backup of all the cameras for a certain period of time. That the cameras back up, I think, to the cloud or to SimpliSafe or something of that nature. I'm not the biggest tech guy, so we opted to do that. So we did want to say the buying process was awesome. The unboxing of all the equipment was very intuitive. It came with all of the signs we needed. It came with all of the directions. It was simple. It was really simple. As far as reading and understanding what was in the box. Now, the next thing is going to be is for us to install it, and we'll let you know how simple it is to install. But as far as the unboxing process, it was absolutely really cool to get all of the individual components with descriptions, title right on there, little pro tips right on there, the welcome packet and all they need. So I've got to say, I've got a 9.8 out of 10 right now stars for SimpliSafe and the buying process. And I'll continue to keep you posted as things go, as we install it and as we use the system, how easy it is to use. So I just wanted to say thank you and let you guys in on one of the security precautions that we are taking here. There are many that we will be doing and I will be documenting. There you have it. All the stuff that we did with SimpliSafe. So don't forget, hey, if there's any security tip or security topic you want us to talk about, leave it in the description below. I'd be happy to talk about it and do some research and answer any questions you have in there. So what are security questions you have directly that I can answer for you? As always, be blessed. Don't forget, just because you're prepared doesn't mean you're paranoid. Talk to you later.